Hello everyone. So now this is a slightly difficult question. Here you need to understand which one is the bigger circle, the circle with arc X or the circle with arc Y. So if I shift this arc Y slightly upwards so that both these arcs only have one single common point. So this is arc X and originally this is arc Y, but if I shift it upwards, this will be arc Y. So now if you have the same point here, what's happening is this circle comes out to be bigger than the black one here. So the arc Y belongs to a bigger circle than the arc X, right? Fine. So let me draw arc Y again in a proper way. This is the arc Y over here. And obviously this is the arc X. This is X and this is Y. Fine. So if I draw the center of arc X and arc Y, since this is a bigger circle, so the radius of this circle will be bigger. That means the center of the circle will be lower than the center of the arc X. That means center of circle Y will be lower than the center of circle X. So if this is the center of circle Y, the center of circle X will be somewhere here. Fine. So let's see what will be the angle subtended by these 2 points. So these 2 points will subtend an angle this of the bigger circle, and this will be the angle for the smaller circle X. Now which of these angles is the bigger angle? Obviously this is the bigger angle. That means of the 2 angles mentioned, 60 and 90 degrees, this will be 60 degree and this will be 90 degrees over here. Okay, this was the most difficult part to understand for this question. Now the rest of it solving is quite standard. Now it's given that the length of the bottom arc, that means the length of this arc is 10 pi. So the length 10 pi is equal to theta by 360. The angle subtended is 60, so theta by 360 into 2 pi r. That means the radius of the bigger circle. This is radius of circle Y. Okay. So from here you'll have pi and pi gets cancelled out. This is 1 by 6 into 2, 1 by 3 into 10. So radius of circle Y comes out to be 30 centimeters. Radius of circle Y is 30 centimeters. Now if we join these 2 points, now if you look at, let's say this is point A and this is point B. Now if you look at triangle ABY, now this triangle ABY becomes an equilateral triangle, right? Because this is 60 degree and this side is equal to this side, the radius of the triangle or radius of the circle. So since this is an equilateral triangle, if this is 30, length of AB is also 30. Cool. Now if length of AB is 30, and now let's look at triangle AXB. In triangle AXB, it's a right angle triangle where this side here is equal to this side. So it's an isosceles right angle triangle. That means AX will be equal to BX, which will be equal to 30 by root 3. 1 by root 2 times, 30 by root 2. 1 by root 2 times the hypotenuse. Fine. So the radius of the smaller circle comes out to be 30 by root 2. And it is subtending an angle of 90 degree, this arc over here. So length of this arc X, length of the arc X will be equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, which is 30 by root 2. So this is 1 by 4 into 2 pi into 30 by root 2. So we have 4 and 2 gets cancelled out. This is 2. This becomes 15. So this comes out to be 15 pi by root 2. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option 1, 15 pi by root 2. So that's it for this question. Thank you.